Wildo here at the Wildo YouTube channel, and today we're going to be restoring this crowbar. So we got this grinder here, and we're just going to grind all this rust away. So we're going to start up here and work our way down. Alright guys, now we're back inside, and we're just going to knock out the inside with the Dremel. Alright, we got our Perma Blue, and then I got this little piece of scrap wood here. And we're just gonna paint that on. You already see it kind of blue. So this helps it from getting brushed it over. So it probably won't rust over again, hopefully, when this stuff goes on. The paintbrush is safe, that's why I'm painting like this. I don't normally paint like this, but I haven't had a chance to get new brushes in a while. Oh! That's like half of my bottle. That sucks. I knew that was gonna happen too. Oh, I guess that doesn't come well. Oh, I should have thought of that. That's right. Oh wow, that's nice. Alright, I'm gonna sit here and dry for a while. So this is what it looks like after the Perma Blue. You can see that where it was welded back together, didn't get any of that blue on it. But it looks nice and dark, and it was a bit dirty, so I just hit it with some of this steel wool. And I think I'm gonna put my initials here in this. So I'm just gonna put WO for Wildo, and then we'll test it. Testing time. That's good enough. So this is my crowbar. It was a pretty fun project to restore. And I'll see you guys next time. Wildo signing off.